Namaskar everyone, welcome to Presha Yoga and I am Presha. Today we will be practicing a pranayam called as Chandra Bhedana. Roll out your mat and let's get started. This pranayam is practiced during the time when you're feeling anxious or stressed and you want to cool down, you want to bring in a sense of mental clarity. So Chandra means the moon, and moon has cooling effects on us, and that is why is the pranayam called as Chandra Bhedana. This is a left nostril breathing pranayam, and it requires a little bit of understanding as to how you do the pranayam. So obviously we're going to sit down in a cross-legged position or just this way in a meditative pose. You can place a couple of blankets or pillows under your seat so that you sit upright, you sit up tall, and your legs and your knees just cascade down, so you bring some support for yourself. If you're sitting on a chair, I would suggest you that you keep the feet flat on the ground. Now, while we find ourselves seated here, we're going to first start with placing the left hand in Gyan Mudra, which is bringing the index finger and the thumb together. So this is Gyan Mudra. It is believed to enhance your wisdom and bring in mental clarity. With the right hand, we're going to take Vishnu Mudra. So for that, we're going to close the first two fingers, so that is the index finger and the middle finger, and we are going to bring it closer to the palm. The thumb is going to be out itself. The ring finger is going to be shortened. We're going to shorten it and bring it to the level of the pinky finger. So shorten your, if you want, you can take the help of your left hand and just adjust it. So now you can see that I've folded my ring finger and brought the tip of it on the same level as the pinky finger. Now from here, we're going to be placing this gently just above the cartilage of the nose, and we're not going to be removing this thumb and removing the index finger off the nose. So there's going to be always, they are going to be on the nose itself, and there's going to be a slight pressure in order to breathe in and breathe out. So they remain closer. And the kind of breathing that we are going to do is going to be Ujjayi breath. You can see the link above here on your my left as to how you practice Ujjayi pranayam. So Ujjayi breath is this audible breath. It's also called the ocean breathing, and it is more from the throat instead of the nose. So especially with your exhales, you can hear your own breath. So that is the breath that we use for this pranayam as well. So back with Gyan Mudra, with your left hand, index finger and thumb together. And Vishnu Mudra here, so the thumb is out, the index finger, middle finger are to the palm, and the ring finger has been leveled and it has been brought to the same level as the pinky finger. Now gently place, you're going to gently place your thumb and your ring finger and the tip of the ring finger, not the base of it, but the tip of it on your nose. Another thing that I want to add here is that before we start with this pranayam, let's actually take a couple of Ujjayi breaths together, okay? So let's just bring those hands back to, let's bring the right hand to Gyan Mudra as well. Close your eyes and take 3 cycles of Ujjayi breath here. So inhale deeply through your nose and exhale through the nose, but it's more through the throat, so it's an audible breath. Inhale, exhale, again inhale, exhale. So we continue with this kind of breathing, but now we bring the right hand in Vishnu Mudra. First 2 fingers closed, the ring finger on the same level as the pinky finger. Then just keep the thumb on the right nostril and the tip of the index finger or the tip of the ring finger on the left nostril. Okay? Now, with a slight pressure, close your right nostril and inhale through your left. Close the left nostril, exhale through right. Close the right nostril, inhale through left. Close the left nostril, exhale through right. Close the right nostril, inhale through left. Close the left nostril, exhale through right. Closing right nostril, inhale through left. Closing left nostril, exhale right. Close right nostril, inhale left. Close left nostril, exhale right. Close the right nostril, inhale left. Close the left nostril, exhale right. Let's do 2 more cycles. Close the right nostril, inhale left. Close the left nostril, exhale right. Close the right nostril, inhale left. Close the left nostril, exhale right. And another one, inhale through left, closing the right nostril. Closing left nostril, exhale right. Release the hand. You can bring that right hand in Gyan Mudra as well. Observe the quality of your left side as you were just inhaling through left during the whole pranayam. And you can feel a sense of coolness and calming down, especially in the left. We're going to be still here in this meditative pose for a few more breaths, simply inhaling and exhaling through the nose. Then slowly allow your eyes to open. So just to repeat as to what we did, we brought the left hand in the Gyan Mudra, the right hand in the Vishnu Mudra, and we were using the Ujjayi breath during this pranayam, and also it was always that we were inhaling through the left. Always the inhales were happening through the left, okay? And just hoping that this helps you during the time when you feel stressed and you feel anxious. And I'm going to again see you in another video soon. Be well. Until next time, Om Shanti.